My brother-in-law grew some beautiful pumpkins. And the summer nights are getting colder. So I thought, pumpkin soup. Our pumpkin. I'm going to start by taking the top of it off. Just make nice, even, deep cuts around the edges. I like to cut my pumpkin up into quarters. I find it easier to deal with. And you're just going to literally scoop the seeds out. We're going to put these in at 425 for a couple of hours and let them really roast and get caramelized. I always find it gets a little tastier when you caramelize them. We're going to put some salt and pepper on these. Oven is preheated at 425, so I'm just going to move both of these into my center rack. So as you can see, I've taken the pumpkin out of the oven. It is nice and brown. It's been in for a little over an hour. Nice caramelization going on. It's nice and done. You can feel it soft. I'm going to start preparing the rest of the soup. I'll put a little olive oil, about a teaspoon of olive oil into my pan here. And I'm going to start with an onion. Now I've lit a candle here because I'm a wimp. And it makes me cry. Onions make me cry. So while that's cooking down, I'm going to start, this is now cool enough, I'm going to start scooping out the pumpkin, putting it in my blender. Scooping out my pumpkin, putting it right in the blender. Now you can blend it down to the consistency you like it. I like it to be pureed, and I've put it back into my pan here, and I'm just keeping it warm for dinner tonight. But I always think it tastes better when it goes straight from the garden onto your table, and that's why we call it farm living.